If your phone battery drains quickly, you're probably turning off things that have no real impact while leaving the 5 biggest causes draining your battery every day without noticing. The strange part? Many people switch their wallpaper to black, for example, thinking that solves the problem, when the truth is completely different. In this video, I'll show you what actually drains your phone's battery and how to stop this drain with simple steps that most people don't do. First reason, screen brightness. The screen is the biggest power consumer on your phone. The higher the brightness, the higher the power consumption directly. What should you do? Enable auto brightness, or keep it at the lowest level that's comfortable for your eyes, not the highest. Why? Because the screen consumes constant power as long as it's on, and increasing brightness literally multiplies the consumption. Second reason, 120 Hz, refresh rate or higher. 120 Hz makes movement smoother, but the screen refreshes twice as fast. What should you do? From Settings, go to Display and Brightness, then Screen Refresh Rate. If you're not playing games, set it to 60 Hz or adaptive. Why? Because the processor and GPU work harder to maintain that smoothness. Third reason, weak network signal. This is something that many people don't understand. When the signal is weak, the phone keeps searching for a stronger signal and automatically increases transmission power. What should you do? Turn off mobile data or enable airplane mode in areas with weak signal. Why? Because constantly searching for signal consumes more battery than actual usage. Fourth reason, location services, the silent drain. Your phone doesn't only use GPS when you open Maps. Many apps request location access in the background for location-based ads, weather updates, nearby suggestions, activity tracking. The problem? GPS and Wi-Fi scanning run repeatedly, draining battery even while your phone is in your pocket. What should you do? Go to Settings. Open Location. Set most apps to while using the app only, and disable location access for apps that don't actually need it. Fifth reason, continuous Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. This is a nearly hidden feature in Android. Even if Wi-Fi is turned off, Bluetooth is turned off, your phone may still keep scanning to improve location accuracy, find nearby devices, support system services. The result? Your phone keeps waking up repeatedly to search for networks and devices. What should you do? Settings. Location. Location services. Turn off Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. Why is this important? Because it runs all day without appearing in app battery usage. In the end, most battery problems aren't caused by the phone itself, but by settings running all the time without you noticing. Once you adjust these correctly, you'll notice a real difference without installing any apps or changing how you use your phone. Tell me in the comments, what drains your phone battery the most? Brightness, internet, or gaming? And if this video helped you, like and subscribe, because the next video covers one setting very few people know about that actually makes a real difference in battery life.